Good morning and welcome to week 9. Can you believe it? We are midway through our semester, and I'm so excited to check in with you this morning and make sure that you've gotten the most out of the first half. And I have a little summary here below on this page that kind of talks about where we've been so far and an invitation if you have any questions at all to ask them, and then kind of where we're moving forward. In reviewing my notes, there were a couple of things I wanted to make sure that I provided you. So I've included a couple of refresher exercises and then the midterm. Something to note, the midterm is, well, clearly since we're in an online environment, it is open book and open note. And it would have been even if we were in the classroom. And my philosophy on that is in hospitality, it's better, in my opinion, to know where to go to get the answers than to actually memorize things. And so that's kind of my perspective, and it has been. And my desire for you to get the most out of this class. So I've picked the things that I think are most important for you to get a firm knowledge base in hospitality so that we can move forward. So with that, if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you wish for another optional Zoom, I'm happy to organize that. I will say that participation was a little bit low, but really great conversation. So I'm happy to always engage in further conversation. And good luck on the midterm this week. Please ask any questions. Please participate in the discussions that we have available, because I look forward to learning from you just as much as I'm sure you look forward to learning from others in your field of interest. So have a great week. Bye.